PM Modi speaks with President Trump as the two leaders discuss India-US trade negotiations and the progress on the proposed bilateral trade agreement. Earlier this week, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal reaffirmed that India and the US remain in continuous dialogue on the trade pact, expressing confidence that talks could be concluded by the November deadline. Gift Nifty is treading water in early action. Blame it on wobbling Wall Street where key indices turned lower after scaling record highs as US government shutdown loomed over optimistic bulls. The two big questions: will Nifty's upward momentum fade? Will Nifty's downward direction pick up steam? Well, honestly speaking, the street will first react to TCS Q2. TCS, India's largest IT services organization, reported a 1.4% rise in consolidated net profit to 12,075 crore rupees during July to September quarter, driven by comprehensive growth across sectors, notably in banking, financial services and insurance. Quarter-on-quarter analysis showed a 5.3% decrease in profit, whilst revenue grew by 3.7%. The company reported total contract value, TCV, of $10 billion for the second quarter. Bottom line, TCS results meets Street's expectation. Please note, overnight Infy ADR was up 2%. Amidst this backdrop, we expect bullish consolidation to be the preferred theme for the day. Long story short, the only things glittering brighter than gold and silver could well be Nifty's metal counters in today's trade. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1308 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 864 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive rebound play with buy on dips as preferred strategy. FNO October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has tumbled towards 10.12 levels. At last check, USD INR, October, was trading near the 88.85 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.02 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.06. Nifty outlook, optimism, nervousness, and anxiety shall continue share the stage on Dalal Street in today's trade. That said, a phase of constructive bullish consolidation remains the preferred trading setup. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5182. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,021 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25050 and 25300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 8 to 172. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,600 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,141 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,708 to 700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 56192. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 55,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 57,900 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,805 6800. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty buyers stepped in with bargain hunting conviction, driving the benchmark to close near the day's highs. Please note, emerging markets could witness buying boosted by weaker USD and more favorable global funding conditions. The only headwind as of now is political stalemate in Washington, the federal government shutdown which has extended into 9th straight day. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Eicher Motors, minus 0.33%, slipped after the company announced that its joint venture, with commercial vehicles, VECV, will invest 544 crore rupees to produce and assemble the Volvo Group's globally acclaimed 12-speed automated manual transmission, AMT. 2. Tata Steel, plus 2.48%, gained after the company's India crude steel production surged 7% to 5.67 million tons in Q2 FY26 compared with 5.28 million tons in Q2 FY25. The growth was driven by the normalization of operations following the completion of the relining of the G blast furnace at Jamshedpur. On a half-year basis, production increased 3% YoY to 10.9 million tons. 3. Tata Elxsi, plus 2.07%, was seen rebounding in yesterday's trade. Tata Elxsi reported a 7.2% sequential rise in net profit to 154.8 crore rupees for the quarter ended September 2025, compared with 144.4 crore rupees in the previous quarter. Revenue grew 2.9% quarter-on-quarter to 918.1 crore rupees, while EBIT increased 4.7% to 169.9 crore rupees. 4. Meanwhile, LG Electronics India IPO subscribed 54.02 times. The offer received bids for 385.33 crore shares as against 7.13 crore shares on offer.